I'm going to record it. This is Leo's personal case. NT Football 2013. He wants. Leo is determined to pull the Bell Shield. He wants a Bell Shield. That's what he wants. That's what he wants. Here we go. Yeah, this is 13. I got some 14 for this weekend, Adam. I got some 14. I got 2 more cases of 2014 for the weekend. It's supposed to be here Friday. What up, Tattooed Wolf? How you doing, buddy? All right, Leo, good luck, sir. If you guys want spots in the Lux basketball, it's in the store. Got Kyle Jurezic to 99 for the Ravens. Or just let me know in the main chat if you want in. We do have a mini going. There's 6 spots left in the mini. Fred Jackson to 99. What's up, Mr. Doug? How you doing, buddy? All right, got a Dear Value Collector NT Jumbo Prime booklet. Dwayne Bowe for the Kansas City Chiefs. No, for the Browns now. NT Prime booklet. Chris is jealous. Alfred Morris, Colossal to 49. Jonathan Franklin, quad patch to 99. If you guys want to get in a mini for the basketball, there's 6 left in the mini. Josh Sitton, 3-color patch for the Green Bay Packers. 6 of 25. Full spots are in the store as well. Sharif Floyd, 21 of 25. That is rookie autograph. Sharif Floyd. Sticking with the Vikings, Xavier Rhodes for the Vikings. I hear you, buddy. It's all good. You're not the Steeler Leo's looking for. Landry Jones to 25. 2-color patch. 2-color patch RPA. You're not the one he's looking for. DJ Schwerenzer, 7 of 49 for the Texans. Oh, wow. I hear you, bud. Well, hang out and chat. Hang out and chat. It's all good. Box number 2. Box number 2. Oh, yeah, my wife got Little Caesars for the kids last night because that's our date night. So she got them pizza because my 15-year-old watches our 5-year-old for a couple hours while we go out on Tuesdays. 405, Micah Hyde. Rookie, 405, short print. I'll check the store once I'm done with Leo's personal case and update the title. Hopefully we'll have a few spots gone. Big Ben Roethlisberger to 99. This is a Steeler heavy case. Josh Cribbs for the Browns to 99. Nothing exciting yet. We need something to get us excited about this case. Mike Gilsley to 99, quad relics. Four-color Antonio Gates to 25. This might be an old guy next. Old guy. For the Pittsburgh Steelers, Bobby, I think they called him Night Train Lane. I don't know. It was a little bit before my time. Bobby Lane, 1 of 10. He's on the Steelers. The Pittsburgh Super Steelers. What's up, Calvary Crazies? Welcome back, Tony. Ray Graham, rookie autograph to 99. Wow. Don't pick on my Steelers now. Kiko. 9 of 49. Kiko Alonso, rookie autograph. It's not a bad one. What's up, Mr. St. Louis? Dear Value Collector. NT Rookie Signature Materials Gold, Quentin Patton. And Matt Barkley. Triple relic. The first half was not that spectacular. We need to ramp it up on the second half. We need to give Leo something to go woo on. Second half of the case. We do have 6 left in a mini for Lux Basketball. 10 spots, 5 wieners, 25 per. This one's thick as all get out. Book. We have a book. Benny Logan. To 99. Marquise Colston to 99. top float. That penny sleeve's not wanting to cooperate. EJ Manuel, 48 of 99. For Christopher, no, Jamal Charles for the Chiefs. Christopher's jealous again. For the Saints, Kenny Stills to 99. Oh, it's out of 130s up here. Old guy, Ronnie Lott to 50. For the Buffalo Soldiers, Robert Woods, 4-color patch, 11 of 25, timelines, automographs. Dustin Hopkins, kicker love, I think. Rookie autograph, kicker love. Leo likes him some kicker love now. $13 of 25, 4-color patch, Dion Jordan. Two-color patch, Vance McDonald. Rookie book, 6 of 49. And not too bad, Andre Ellington. Last box. Need a monster. Need something big. What's up, Lucky Luke? What's up, Reed Roofer? If you guys want full spots in the Lux basketball, that's next. It's in the store. We also have a mini going. I'm doing very well. Just finishing up a personal case, and we're going to roll back right into the Lux basketball. 205, Jopolo Bartu for the Falcons. PC Love. Nine of 10, Matt Ryan. PC Love. Business just picked up a little bit. Hall of Fame, 50th anniversary, signature materials, Jim Brown. That was a little bit better. Jim Brown for the Browns. Timelines. It's like Sammy Bradford. I wanted to see Spectra football first, Lucky Luke. I have 2 cases that'll be here tomorrow. I have the luxury of being a 1-day ship from Atlanta. So I ordered it this morning and it'll be here tomorrow. The last 2 years I got stuck with a bunch of it because nobody liked it. But it looks really good this year. 69 of 99, so I'll be doing that tomorrow evening. Um, if you do you have Twitter, Lucky Luke? Patrick Peterson, 15 of 99. Okay, because I usually put it in the store. I'll put it in the store tomorrow afternoon. I'll put it in the store tomorrow afternoon around 2 o'clock. I'll put it in the store because I really don't know how much. I really don't know how much I paid for it. To tell you the truth, until I get the invoice. Monte Ball Quad Relics patches. So if you look at the Ken Fudd Me Do, it'll be in there about 2 o'clock tomorrow. More PC love. Levine Tolalulu. I can't pronounce his name. Tolalolo. Rookie autograph for the Falcons. Raheem Moore. Rookie autograph. For the Broncos. Justin Hunter. And Monte Ball. 20 of 25. Monte Ball. 2 of 25. Justin Hunter. Alrighty. We stop the video.